The 13th Floor, Part 1. Benjamin was a successful businessman. His life was very much successful. He had complete freedom to do anything which he wanted. He was very happy with his life. He enjoys his life very much. But he used to tell that I will never get married because I don't like marriage. But one day, Benjamin was thinking that, hey, I'm a great businessman, but the house where I live is quite old. It's quite old, man. Quite old fashioned. I have to buy a new house or a flat. So Benjamin started looking for a flat in his town, and within a week he found a big flat with 14 floors. He liked the 14th floor the most, so he bought a room in the 14th floor by contacting the dealer. The day of his shipment, he gave a party to his friends. They all enjoyed the party very, very much. Now, uh, Benjamin's goods were sent to the house earlier, and Benjamin was supposed to go to the house after the party at night. So, after having the party, he went to the house in his car. Uh, there in the house, he found that everybody uses the stairs only to go upstairs. Nobody uses the lift or the elevator to go up. Benjamin found this very strange. He asked why to the flat, but they didn't tell anything to Benjamin. Benjamin was confused, but he told to himself, I will use the lift only. Then he got on the lift. He pressed the 14th floor button and the lift started going up. Lift was going smoothly, but in the 10th floor, the lights of the lift started blinking very much. But Benjamin thought that there may be some electrical problems or issues, that's why the lights were blinking. He thought it very normal and he ignored this. Then, when the lift crossed the 11th floor, the lift was started shaking very vigorously. Was started shaking, man, very vigorously. The lift was shaking so hard that Benjamin fell down. Then Benjamin started feeling little bit scared. He got on his foot. He started looking here and there. And then, between the floor 12th and 13th, the lift stopped and the lights went off, went out. The lights went out. Now, Benjamin was standing in complete darkness. There was nothing he was able to see instead of the lights which were coming out from the buttons. Now, Benjamin was clicking the emergency button, but nothing was happening. He was clicking the emergency button furiously, but nothing was happening. Then, suddenly, the lift started going up and it stopped at 13th floor. The lights came back again. Now, Benjamin was confused very much. And suddenly, the door of the lift opened automatically. But there was no one in front of him.